You just started a new job and you have been assigned a ticket in a legacy repo that hasn't been touched in 5 years. And the sad part, there is no documentation, the original dev is gone, and you are expected to ship a fix by Friday. Sounds familiar, right? So, most waste days manually tracing function calls and debugging. Today, I'll show you how I use AI to reverse engineer a code base and build a visual architecture map in minutes, not days. So now you don't just dump 10,000 lines into a prompt. That's how you get hallucinations, right? Instead, we use a top down approach. First is the entry point. Feed the AI the root directory structure and the main entry file. Ask what is the high level flow of data from input to output. Second, the logic trace. Give it a specific file and ask it to list all external dependencies and identify the primary side effects. Third, the why factor. This is my favorite prompt. Ask, based on this code, what architectural pattern was the original developer likely trying to follow? Now, watch this. I'm taking this complex logic and asking the AI to generate a Mermaid.js flowchart for the authentication flow. Suddenly, a wall of text becomes a clear visual map. I can see exactly where the middleware intercepts the request out and when the database call happens. So, AI is the ultimate mentor for legacy code. It doesn't get bored of your questions, in fact, and it has perfect memory for syntax. So, tomorrow is the final day, and we are stepping back to look at the bigger picture why your job as an engineer is changing from code writer to AI orchestrator. So, see you for day 7. Bye bye.